Welcome at Doco International, more precise, our headquarters in Sittard. I'm Peter Lacroix, I'm the commercial manager, working since 20 years in this beautiful company, and I'm going to give you a tour in our company. Doco is a company with over more than 40 years of experience in sectional overhead doors. You can buy from us the door components, but also the assemblies, whether it is for industrial doors or residential doors. You can be our partner in sectional overhead door systems. You are always more than welcome in one of our showrooms, and I will show you our showroom in Sittard. Follow me. Personal contact is very important for us, and it's even a strategic approach. That is also why we work with local salespeople as much as possible. Also, you can see that all major areas have our own subsidiaries. You're always more than welcome to visit our showroom at our headquarters in Sittard, where we can explain you perfectly step by step how to configure our systems. We have maquettes. For example, here we have a maquette where you can see how to build in a door system with nearly no side space. Of course, we don't have only maquettes, but we also have all systems built up in real in Sittard. So you can see here the system of the springs in the rear. We have our Home X, the tension door springs. And we have the Home F. Furthermore, we have developed also a state-of-the-art pass door system together with Groke and Sommer, part of the Sommer Group. Of course, Doco International also has a complete program of industrial doors. Standard lift, low level, full vertical, low beam. Here in our new assembly center, you can see a complete high lift door. Our customer service is almost always able to answer your questions and your queries in your own native language. That is very important for us to avoid miscommunication and well understanding of your queries. That is also how we are organized here locally in our headquarters. Here we're working with teams, so each team is linked to you as a customer so that they are aware of all your specialties. Our technical service is also a very important asset for us to support you as a customer. We can support you whether it is by phone, video conferencing, but also very often we are coming on site where we mostly are able to explain things in your native language. Availability, efficiency and reliability are the main drivers in our logistical process. With the SlimStock software, our inventory analysts have the latest tools available to optimize our stock levels so that we are not running out, but also that we are not exceeding our stocks. Our goal is always to deliver as complete and as efficient as possible. Therefore, our stock positions are always at level. Furthermore, we have a lot of springs on stock, different lengths, different wire diameters, so in case of an urgency of a damaged spring, we are able to serve you in a very quick way. Our complete insulated warehouse guarantees that all the products will leave our warehouse without any white rust. Our order processing is completely digital, and therefore we are also working with hand scanners and we're working with barcodes. Our R&D team is in constant contact with our salespeople and our customers, all to develop these products which are requested by the customers and in the specific markets. All of our products, they are fulfilling the highest European standards. That is also why we are continuously testing all the products which can be damaged. More and more customers are asking us for residential as well also for industrial pre-assembled track sets. And of course we are also fulfilling these questions. That is why we now have 2 assembly centers. For example here, our residential center. Thank you very much for your attention during this tour. We hope to welcome you whether in our headquarters in Sittard or in one of our other subsidiaries. And remember, Doco doesn't produce doors, we are the door manufacturer's best partner. Hope to see you soon. Bye.